Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Good morning class 5. How are you today? I hope you fine and always in good condition. Today we will study about telling the time. This is English lesson for 5th grade of MI Miftahul Ulum Tagalarum Ranggen Demak with English teacher Siti Mukaromah on August 2020. Vocabularies about telling the time. The first, o'clock. Okay, what does it mean, o'clock? Yes, o'clock means tepat. And then two. Two means kurang. Next, pas. Pas means lebih. And half means setengah. And then quarter means seperempat. Okay, let's see telling the time. In the color of yellow, this is pas. Pas means lebih, and color of blue, this is two. Two means kurang. In telling the time, there are clock, quarter past, half past, and quarter to. A clock, jika jarum panjang berada di angka 12. A quarter jika jarum panjang di angka 3 atau angka 9. Kalau di angka 3 berarti quarter past, kalau di angka 9 berarti quarter to. Half jika jarum panjang berada di angka 6. Okay, now let's see 5 minutes past. Jika jarum panjang berada di angka 1, berarti lebih 5 menit or 5 minutes past. Jika jarum panjang berada di angka 2, it means 10 minutes past. Jika jarum panjang berada di angka 3, it means quarter past. Jika di angka 4, 20 minutes past. Di angka 5, 55 minutes past. And then di angka 6 itu half past. Lalu kita lihat ke yang berwarna biru, two atau kurang. Jika jarum panjang berada di angka 7, berarti itu kurang 25 menit, 25 to. Jika jarum panjang berada di angka 8, 20 minutes to. Jika di angka 9 berarti quarter to. And then jika di angka 10 berarti 10 minutes to. Dan jika di angka 11 itu 5 minutes to. Jika tepat jarum panjang di angka 12, it means o'clock. Okay, next example. O'clock or tepat. The example, okay, let's see the picture. Jam 8 tepat. In English, it's 8 o'clock. And then 2 kurang. Okay, let's see the picture. Jam 6 kurang 10 menit. It means 10 minutes to 6. And then quarter. Quarter, it is quarter to 3. Jam 3 kurang 1/4. Okay, next. Pas. Okay, pas artinya lebih. Okay, let's see the picture. It is 5 minutes past 12. Jam 12 lebih 5. Or in short, it is 12:05. 12:05. Okay, you can see it is 5 minutes past 12, and you can call it is 12:05. Let's see half. Half, you can read it by it is half past 2 atau jam setengah 3, or you can read it by it is 2:30, 2:30. Okay, half, it is half past 2 or it is 2:30. And next, quarter. Quarter, you can read it by it is quarter past 7, jam 7 lebih 1/4, or it is 7:15, 7.15. 7 lebih 15 menit. Okay, let's see the table. Number 1, 6.5. You can read it by it is 5:06 or it is 6:05. Jam 6 lebih 5. 7.10. You can read it by it is 10:07 or it is 7:10. Okay, next. 8.15. It is 8:15 or it is 8:15. And then 9.20. It is 20:09 or it is 9:20. 10.30. It is 10:30 or it is 10:30. Yeah, what time is it? It is 1 o'clock. You can see the picture 1 o'clock. Jam 1 tepat. And then it is 2 o'clock. Jam 2 tepat. It is 1:05. Berarti jam 5. I'm sorry. It is 1:05. Jam 1 lebih 5. It is 10:07. Jam 7 lebih 10. Berarti kalau mengartikan harus dari belakang. Jamnya dulu baru menit. It is 5:01. 5:01 berarti jamnya dulu jam 1 kurang 5 menit. Okay, it is 10:07. 7 itu 7, 2 kurang 10, 10. Jam 7 kurang 10. It is 3:15. Berarti 3 itu 3, pas lebih quarter 1/4. Jam 3 lebih 1/4. It is 5:15. Berarti 5 itu 5, pas itu lebih, quarter itu 1/4. Jam 5 lebih 1/4. It is 3:45. 3 itu 3, 2 itu kurang, quarter 1/4. Berarti jam 3 kurang 1/4. It is 4:45. 5 itu 5, 2 kurang, quarter 1/4. Jam 5 kurang 1/4. It is 7:30. 7 itu 7, pas itu lebih, half itu setengah. Berarti itu jam 6:30. Lantas, or it is 7:30. Berarti itu jam 7:30. I hope you understand by watching the picture and the explanation. Ya, dengan penjelasan dan melihat jam, insya Allah paham. Okay, let's see the time below. Okay, it is o'clock. Jika jarum panjang di angka 12, jika di angka 1 5 past, 2 10 past, 3 quarter past, 4 20 past, 5 25 past, 6 half past, 7 25 to, 8 22, 9 quarter to, 10 10 to, 11. It is a 5 to. Berarti kurang 5 menit. Okay. For example, let's see the below. Lihat bawahnya. Itu jam 2, it is 2 o'clock. Jam 2 lebih 5, 5 past 2. Jam 2 lebih 10, 2 10, 10 past 2. 2 15, quarter past 2. 2 20, 20 past 2. 2 25, 25 past 2. 2 30, half past 2. 2 35, 25 to 3. 2 40, 20 to 3, 2:45, quarter to 3, and then 10 to 3 itu jam 2.50, and the last 2.55 it is a 5 to 3, jam 3 kurang 5 menit. We use at plus time when giving the time of specific event. Kita menggunakan at dan time ketika memberikan waktu secara spesifik. For example, the class starts at 9 o'clock. Kelas dimulai jam 9 tepat. Atau the flight leaves at 10 to 3. We use it is or its to answer question. Kita menggunakan it is atau its itu untuk menjawab pertanyaan that ask for time right now, yang menanyakan waktu saat ini juga. For example, what time is it? Jam berapa ini? It is 4:30. What's the time? It is 20 to 5. You know, perbedaan AM and PM. AM, it is start from, AM itu dimulai dari tengah malam, ya, mulai jam 12 ke 1 malam, 3 malam, 5 malam, sampai tengah siang, sampai jam 12 siang, sebelum duhur, itu use AM. Setelah duhur, jam 12 siang, setelah duhur, ya jam 1 siang, jam 14, 15, seterusnya sampai tengah malam, it is PM. Understand, yes? Okay. Now, AM and PM, how to read? For example, like 5:15 AM or 5:15 AM, berarti this is morning. 4:40 PM, it is afternoon. 11 AM, it is morning. 8:30 PM, it is evening. Okay, let's see. Next exercise. You have understand the time, about telling the time, and now do the exercise competence test part A and B, halaman 7 sampai halaman 9, prima bahasa Inggris 5A. Okay, thank you, good luck, semoga berhasil, don't forget to study. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.